So my BMO inspired arcade system. So this is my flowchart, and the system starts by waiting for a valid RFID card. The correct card allows the user to enter the game menu shown on the two LCDs. The player can choose a single game or a tournament, with each game including the snake or dino game, and then it will reset after. So the RFID card is scanned, the servos move. You can also change the speed of the servo with the potentiometer. Here's a snake game using the joystick to control it, and once the game ends, the servo moves up and down. This is just showing the wiring of the BMO and how I've connected it through using the cardboard box, and you can see the servos inside as well as the LCD. That's just so that everything works correctly. In this project, I focus on breaking the work into manageable stages and testing each part separately before combining everything. Integrating two games was challenging, so I first made sure each game worked on its own and then connected them to the hardware. This helped me identify bugs early and avoid bigger issues later. I managed my time well by setting small goals and giving myself enough space to work through coding, wiring, and testing without rushing. A key lesson was the importance of testing every time I made a change. When adding new features, especially the RFID logic, or when I had to change the address of the second LCD so both screens could run on the same LCD, on the same Arduino. I tested it straight away to keep the system stable. I also had to solder for the first time, which was a challenge, but it helped me understand how the hardware side much better. When problems came up, I used resources like YouTube, online resources, and Gen AI tools to figure out what was going wrong and how to fix it. I also realized that clearer planning tools like better flowcharts would have made the integration smoother. Overall, this project strengthened my ability to test carefully and solve problems when hardware and code didn't behave as expected. In the future, I want to set clearer goals at the start and document my testing more thoroughly to make my design process even more efficient.